What's 26 feet long, has over 4,000 pounds of ballast, an all-new dash design, and is considered yacht certified? It's the 2025 X26, and it's the largest boat in the MasterCraft fleet. The X26 seamlessly blends a luxury dayboat and a performance towboat into one incredible vessel, providing a top-shelf experience from bow to stern. If you like luxurious styling, best-in-class comfort, and premium amenities, then the X26 is perfect for you and your crew. With any MasterCraft, you're getting the best waves and wakes, comfort, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. But what makes the X26 different from the rest of our fleet? Being the largest boat that MasterCraft makes, the X26 has a multitude of options and features that are often only found on small yachts. And along with these luxurious offerings, the X26 stays true to its MasterCraft heritage by pumping out world-class waves and wakes and an unparalleled driving experience, thanks to a standard Ilmor 6.2-liter engine. Now, let's dive into some of the details. Starting here at the transom, the X26 features SurfStar, your gateway to an unmatched surf experience thanks to its reliability, versatility, and ease of use. Simply select a rapid surf preset and the X26 creates the perfect wave to accommodate any riding style or skill level. For those who really want to customize your surf wave, you can also switch over to the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Whether you're surfing or wakeboarding behind the X26, cut your wait time in half with optional fast fill ballast. The high flow pumps used in MasterCraft's fast fill technology will fill or drain ballast in about 4 minutes. The X26 comes standard with underwater exhaust, substantially reducing engine noise and fumes to elevate your experience in the boat. And for those of you who spend lots of time behind the wheel, you can upgrade your X26 with the most powerful stern thruster on the market. It's able to pivot the boat 360 degrees in under 30 seconds. Plus, the thruster control is integrated into the throttle knob, making it incredibly intuitive and easy to use for rider pickups and docking. As far as getting in and out of the boat, your crew can do so with ease thanks to an optional flip-down swim step and a standard transom walkthrough. And underneath the transom walkthrough is built-in storage, a convenient and functional spot for items like vests and tow ropes. Last, but certainly not least, let's take a look at the X26 patented transom lounge seats. These are often referred to as the best seats in the house, especially when the optional footrest is added. It's easy to see why. The X26 provides an expansive, elevated cockpit experience. With seating for up to 18 people, the X26 has plenty of space for a larger crew. The U-shaped seating is perfect for socializing, and the extensive under-seat storage and built-in cooler location is great for entertaining. A fridge can also be added for those long summer days out on the water. Plus, an optional convertible flip seat allows passengers to enjoy conversations in the boat or watch the action behind it. And unlike any other towboat on the market, the X26 has an available head. If this option isn't necessary for your family's needs, integrated lockable board storage comes standard in the same spot. Stay cool on the hottest of days with an upgrade to CoolFeel, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl. So there's no need to shy away from rich colors that complement your custom style. And 2025 brings some exciting new vinyl and gel coat options to round out the MasterCraft palette. The X26 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area, and they can all be upgraded to provide wireless charging. Loaded with Klipsch audio, high-quality acoustic entertainment comes standard on the X26. Our advanced audio package has 6 interior speakers and a subwoofer. You can also upgrade to our premium audio package for additional dash speakers and a bonus subwoofer for extra bass. Now, let's talk towers. The X26 can be equipped with 3 different tower options, the Z6, Z8, and Z10. All towers come with easy-to-use clamping board racks, and power board racks are also available. Combined with our convenient bimini storage, you get an industry-leading 10 spots for boards. You can now upgrade from the standard silver Z6 tower to an all-black Z6 tower, and the Z8 and the Z10 can be customized with colored inlays to seamlessly link your tower and gel coat design. Lastly, up to 4 speakers can be added to the tower for the ultimate experience behind the boat. The helm area of the X26 has been completely redesigned for 2025. A dual-screen configuration is now standard on the X26, and both of those screens are larger than the previous generation. You'll now be greeted by a sleek 15-inch center display and a massive 12-inch touchscreen off to the right of the helm. While the hardware upgrades are beautiful, we also reworked the entire user interface to make it even more intuitive and immersive. Additionally, to make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys, coupled with the rotary dial, allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on what's ahead. We didn't stop there. The 2025 X26 has a new helm seat design that offers unmatched ergonomics and comfort, as well as beautiful modernized aesthetics. Below the dash, the X26 is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger to keep your phone fully powered. The massive pickle fork bow is iconic to MasterCraft and also a hallmark feature of the X26. Sturdy, built-in armrests make the space feel refined and inviting. An open walkway on the port side of the boat leads into the bow, a very unique design in the towboat segment. This design helps provide even more seating up front. You can also opt for a bow filler cushion if you prefer playpen seating. As always, there's plenty of underseat storage in the bow, and we've dedicated anchor storage on centerline. While the behind-the-boat experience on the X26 is second to none, it's also worth mentioning that our team of naval architects designed the X26 hull to deliver a smooth, dry ride that sets a new standard in the towboat segment. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we deliver an incredible on-water experience. With the X26, you also receive the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for electronic brakes or a tire pressure monitoring system for an elevated towing experience. Now let's talk about the X26 engine. The Ilmor 6.2-liter GDI offering 430 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. We partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine to design our engines. They're known for hand-building race car engines and are revered for both their performance and endurance in the racing industry. That's precisely why MasterCraft engines are backed with an unrivaled warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. If high-performance engines are your thing, the X26 can be equipped with our 6.2-liter supercharged engine that produces 630 horsepower and 665 pound-feet of torque. Plus, all 2025 X models come with a new fresh air intake, which means more power, better efficiency, and improved performance even on the hottest summer days. Reliability doesn't stop once the MasterCraft boat leaves the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the country and the world to ensure you get the best customer experience out there. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can now remotely monitor your boat's vitals to keep up with your service needs. Telematics also allows you to check on your boat's health and status via the innovative MasterCraft Connect app. New for 2025, you can even switch off your battery remotely once you leave the lake house. Needless to say, our telematics platform leverages technology to place reassurance and convenience in the palm of your hand. Lastly, every X26 comes standard with MasterCare. We have your back thanks to a 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about the X26. If you want to experience the MasterCraft difference for yourself, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.